Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Gemini, where 7th house Lord Mercury is already present. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your mentors, your higher knowledge, your spiritual knowledge, your post-grad education, your travel-related matters means long distance travel. Moving from one place to another is seen from ninth house. Mainly your travel is seen from ninth house. Your religious knowledge is seen from ninth house. Your religious inclination is seen from ninth house. Your higher studies means your post-grad education is also seen from ninth house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your business partnership, your spouse, your relationships in general, how you meet other people, how others perceive you when you will meet others. So right now your ninth house Lord is moving in your seventh house. Ninth house also deal with your second marriage. So we can expect, if you are single right now in your life, so we can expect good proposal during the month of July, because your seventh house Lord is present in your seventh house and Sun is also present there, and Sun will illuminate the significance of your seventh house till 16th of July, because Sun will stay in your seventh house till 16th of July. But one thing here is very important to discuss is that Sun also represent ego and Mercury represent communication. You are right now in marriage relationship or you are married right now, so we can expect you may have some arguments and disturbance in your ego battle with your spouse or business partnership, because Sun represent ego and Mercury generally represent communication. So we can expect these results from Sun till 16th of July. After 16th of July, Sun will move to your 8th house. 8th house deal with your longevity, your sudden events in life, your chronic diseases, your blaming ability, your sudden ups and downs in life, your sudden positive event, sudden negative event. Both of these things are seen from 8th house. Your research studies, your hidden secrets are seen from 8th house. Your extramarital affairs are also seen from 8th house. So ninth house Lord will be moving in your 8th house after 16th of July. And also ninth house controls your father and father's health. So we can expect in the month of July after 16th of July, you need to be very careful regarding your father's health, because your ninth house Lord will be moving 12 from itself. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of July for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house. As we discussed in Sun section, Mercury is right now moving in your 7th house in its own sign. Mercury will stay in your 7th house till 8th July 2023. Then Mercury will move to your 8th house in the sign of Cancer and will stay in your 8th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your 9th house in the sign of Leo. So till Mercury is moving in your 7th house, 10th house deal with your fame, your work environment, nature of your work, how good you are in your work is seen from 10th house. Your superiors, your respect, your authority in work is seen from 10th house. Your fame is also seen from 10th house. 7th house deal with your fame, your relationship, your marriage, how you meet other people, how others perceive you is seen from 7th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. So we can expect in the month of July you may have some positive result regarding your workplace and your marriage, but you need to be very careful regarding when your communication with your spouse and your business partnership and relationships in general, because Mercury and Sun both are moving in your 7th house, and Mercury generally represent communication, as we discussed previously in Sun section. After 8th of July, when Mercury will move to your 8th house, 8th house also deal with sudden positive event. So we can expect in the month of July, you especially after 8th of July, you may have some positive result regarding your marriage related matters and your business related matter, but you need to be very careful regarding your workplace, because a 10th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house, and 8th house also deal with conspiracies and psychological issues, problem, difficulty. So some of your co-worker may create difficulty for you after 8th of July. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of July for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle, your large gains, means large incoming gains, your hopes and wishes, your elder siblings. All of these things are seen from 11th house. 6th house deal with your litigation, court cases, your loans, your hidden enemies, your all the problems you have, all the disease patterns you have in life is seen from 6th house. Also, your daily routine will be seen from 6th house. So right now, your 6th house and 11th house Lord moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with your father, your luck, your travel related matters. So we can expect in the month of July, if you are running from any court cases or litigation in your life, so we can expect positive result for you people in the month of July, because your 6th house Lord of your court case litigation will be moving in your 9th house in the house of luck. Also, your 11th house, a Lord will be moving in your 9th house, and 11th house deal with gains, your achievements in life, your hopes and wishes. So we can expect in the month of July, your hopes and wishes will come true. Means your one of your main hopes and wishes will come true in the month of July. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. But one thing is very important to discuss here is that Ketu is moving in your 11th house from last year March 2022. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your 11th house significances, which are your friend circle, your society related matter, your community based thinking, your gains. You are somehow detaching from your friend circle from last year because Ketu is moving in your 11th house. Ketu creates such type of situation. Ketu wants you to be in isolation. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many disturbance, many problems regarding your friend circle and professional network circle. Right now, your 11th house Lord is moving in your 9th house, and Mars will provide support to your 6th house Lord and your 11th house Lord. So we can expect positive result in the month of July for all the Sagittarius ascendant people from Venus. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Capricorn. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for whole month, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving in transit near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic houses in astrology, and Moon is very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to that Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days we can also expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. During these days also we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. Especially problem will come from the house significance in which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo. 12th house deal with your isolation, your spirituality related matters, your foreign settlements, your losses, your expenses. All of these things are seen from 12th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental ability, your education before post grade is also seen from 5th house. So right now your education Lord and your children Lord and your foreign settlement Lord is moving in your 9th house. First of all, we can expect if you're trying to send your children on a student visa, then we can expect positive result during the month of July for your children. Also, if you are not married and you are in education life, so we can also expect for time for you people also for regarding your education and your travel related matters. But keep in mind, Rahu is moving in your 5th house from last year March 2022. But Jupiter is also moving here in your 5th house from 24th April 2022. So we can expect you will have some support regarding your 5th house matter because Jupiter is also moving in your 5th house. But still you need to be very careful regarding your love relationship and your education related matters in the month of July. So you need to be very careful regarding these matters in the month of July. From we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of July. In the month of July, we will have four major astrological events. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 7th house to your 8th house on 16 July 2023. Second major astrological event is that Venus is just moved from your 8th house to your 9th house on 7 July 2023 in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously, Mercury will move from your 7th house to your 8th house on 8 July 2023, and from your 8th house move to your 9th house on 25th July 2023. Fourth major and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 9th house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. As all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.